housekeeping kind of videos where I gotta make a video and I need to clean this bench off, and the bench is a mess. So I'm gonna take some things out of the way, because that's what I gotta do. And that's one of the things most people don't see on a lot of channels, is that a lot of other channels have things like this laying on the bench temporarily. Why am I not working on the Wilton vise? It's too freaking hot today. So I'm gonna make a short video and upload it tomorrow. So I'm putting all the Wilton and stuff away right now in the little Wilton box down here. Put this somewhere because it's got to go somewhere. And what else? This one can go over there. I always see videos about, we always see these fancy videos of people just, bench is clean. Except for a few YouTubers that I've seen that are like, yeah, I gotta clean my bench because I've been working on something. So, with the exception to a few, a lot of people have all those perfectly manicured garages and looking all pretty and shit. Which is nice. Don't get me wrong, it is nice. But sometimes you just gotta do some stuff and make a mess. And then you gotta clean it up. How do you clean it up? I don't know, I'm not sure. I just kind of like put all the tools back and then kind of sometimes just start over. I always forget about this nozzle gel and end up leaving it somewhere where it really doesn't need to be. So we'll put that with the welder. There's a white glove here. And there's a white glove missing. Alright, let's see. Put this away. I actually cleaned up back there a little bit too. I cleaned up. I'm just going to put all this crap over there for now. This is garbage. Garbage, garbage, garbage. I brought my garbage too. I gotta put my garbage in the car, bring it to my house, and set it in the dumpster because the dumpster's over there. I don't have a well, I could put it by the road here. Just have to get my own bin. My own bin. Alrighty, what do we got here? That goes in there. This goes over there. This goes under here. It's a little home. Can't see what the hell's in there. Oh, there's a hammer in the way. How exciting. How come there's always a hammer in the way? I can't forget the little, that way. Just tell me to shut up anytime. Alright, this goes over there. This I can throw in the bin. This over there. That goes in there. Goes in there. This is what? Pipe. This is how the mess begins. You put stuff somewhere just quick out of the way. You're like, yeah, I'll get to it later. Yeah, I'll get to it later. You know what happens? You never get to it later. It just kind of never happens. A little shark bite thing here. Clamp. Put it under here over all the clamps. Don't want to lose this. This is good, useful stuff. Alright. Not Wilton. Leatherman. We got 2 Leathermans and a Gerber here. Which one do I like the best? Honestly, I like the Leathermans better. I find the Gerbers are a little bit crappy. My pile of not so sharp bits. Bitty McBit bits. Sorry about the heavy breathing. There's nothing strange going on. So wait, let's put this over there. This goes way in the back. Somewhere in one of these drawers. There's a cutting tool. I actually use that cutting tool and hose clamp because my mother-in-law needed her hose just blew apart. The little connector just went kapooey. So I went and got just so happened, like what, a couple of days prior, I found the hose clamp and I was like, hey, I'll just use them. So now I got this. Get this crap off here. There's that piece of metal. I'll put that on, leave that on here for now. Put this away, I guess. Sweeping it all up. Ta-da! Alright, that's relatively decent. We'll lift it up here. There we go. I just put it higher. I don't know. Anyway, I'm down here. Yeah. I'm down here in the depths of hell. My garage. That was just me cleaning this bench. I'm going to be making a video in a few minutes. Actually, I'm making about 4 or 5 of them. But I'm not doing too much work tonight because it's hot in here already. I'm already sweating. You're probably dying from the glare off my cheeks right now. Wear some sunglasses. Anyway, if you like the channel, click something over here. I don't know where it is. It's over here. Click subscribe. The notification bell I don't care about because I don't really like notifications myself. If I clicked every notification button for every single channel I subscribe to, I'd probably have 800 notifications. So, no, click the notification bell on the ones that you really like, or really want to see, and no stress if you come back once in a while to check. It's, you know what, it's about you. I mean, people are always like, come back. You know what? If you don't like it, don't come back. It's up to you. I'm not going to force you, but thank you for subscribing. Thank you. There we go.